Hey everybody, today we're at 1018 College Avenue, unit number 2. This is an ADU unit built right behind the main house. You do have your own private gated entry here, and also at the back of the unit you have a gate here on a remote or a code that opens up automatically for you specifically to use, along with this gorgeous backyard space that is just for this ADU tenant. Coming in, gorgeous front door. You do have your main living space here. Nice and bright. Here is that main living space again. Flows nicely into the gorgeous kitchen. Kitchen does have soft close cabinets, Whirlpool appliances, as you can see here. You've got this beautiful plank flooring throughout as well, and this nice big slider for that patio access. Really nicely done. You also have a pantry in addition to all these gorgeous cabinets. Pantry or linen closet, along with stackable washer dryer in unit that sits behind these accordion doors for some privacy. First bedroom, it's a good size, nice big windows, good size closet. The guest bath does have a tub shower combo, updated everything. Really nice fixtures that have gone in. This home is on solar as well to help with electricity costs. The master bedroom, again, good size, has its own ensuite with this beautiful walk-in shower, double vanity, and then pocket door for added privacy. Here's that closet. Again, nice big windows, but really nicely done ADU here in the city of Redlands. Again, 1018 College Avenue, unit number 2. Give us a call. This home is being offered by Truedoor Property Management, 909-256-7005, or see us online at truedoorpm.com. Thanks, guys.